If you're getting the infamous E7 error message on Haier, air conditioner, ductless split heat pump, air conditioner, indoor, outdoor, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue. Now, disclaimer, get someone that's a licensed AC person, a licensed electrician, if you do anything inside the unit. So that is my disclaimer. So one thing that happens is with the terminal block here is you'll see that this wire sometimes will come loose, or there'll be a break in this wire, and I'm talking about the red one here. So what the technician, what the AC person would need to do is, of course, turn the unit completely off and cut all sources of power to the AC unit, and then go in here and either replace this red wire, repair it, or just to get a screwdriver and screw this tight, because what will happen a lot of times, this wire will become loose and it won't make a good connection. So to go further with what the manual says from Haier, it says the unit terminal block receives electrical power from the outdoor unit. There are 4 connections for electrical wires. Terminals 1 and 2 are connected to terminals 1 and 2 of the outdoor unit. This wiring supplies power to the indoor unit. Terminal 3 is a communication wire. The indoor unit sends indoor air temperature, cool temperature, and temperature set point information to the outdoor unit on this wire. If a splice or break in this wire is present, the indoor unit will not be able to communicate with the outdoor unit. The error code will be an E7 error code. So that's the error that you're getting. So basically this wire is coming loose, or it breaks, or whatever. So your AC person needs to do the repair, or maybe you can put him or her in the right direction to what they need to do. Now, if you have access to your remote control of your Haier, I would recommend you start using it and turning it on and off. And some people have reported by using the remote that actually fixed the E7 error code. Now, one troubleshooting method that you can do is completely power it down and actually cut with a circuit breaker or whatever, cut the power source to the AC and let it sit for 3 to 5 hours. And what will happen is a lot of times that condensation will melt, or it'll get frozen. And what will happen is it'll let all the components settle, plug it back in, and power it back on. And then it's a possibility that that error message will go away. And what I'll do is in the comment section, I'll put the link to the instruction manual, the full instruction manual, where you can get these pictures and other information. And also too, if you found a solution yourself, please put in the comment section a detailed solution of what you did to fix the issue. And if people agree with that, I'll pin the comment to the top. That way people will have a reference point to go to fix the issue. Alright, I do appreciate you watching the video.